Good morning, seniors. This is your last high school Tuesday. Congrats. We're your host, Alaina.
And I'm Asher. Let's start out with today's lunch. Today we'll be having mac and cheese with Little Smokies, broccoli, carrots, a cookie, bananas, and a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Good morning, Hornets. My name is Elijah Smith. Here are today's top 5 news stories. Number 1. A Kansas City man recently opened the Museum of BBQ, which is believed to be the world's first museum dedicated entirely to the cooking craft. Number 2. The RoboBee from Harvard's Microrobotics lab is almost ready for full release. Number 3. Volkswagen is partnering with Uber to deploy thousands of robotaxis in the U.S. Number 4. Scientists found what is believed to be the oldest ant in history. The 113 million-year-old fossil was uncovered in Brazil. And number 5. Eli Manning is reportedly assembling an investment group to bid for a piece of his former team, the New York Giants. Have a great day.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
This week's word of the week is tantamount. Equivalent in seriousness to, virtually the same as.
When the ideas are coming, I don't stop until the ideas stop because that train doesn't come along all the time. Dr. Dre.
Summer is right around the corner, so you better be thinking about your dream vacations.
Hi, I'm Curtis Barr, and my best vacation I went to was Worlds of Fun. It was pretty dope. I was up in Kansas City, and then we went to Oceans of Fun, and that was pretty cool. So,
I'm Adler Andrew Kuntz, and I would say my best vacation was Hawaii because it had really nice weather, and went to Honolulu and Maui, and it was just nice to
I'm Mr. Salmons.
All right, my name is Mrs. Salmons.
My favorite vacation.
And my favorite vacation.
For a year after my wife and I were married, we went to
Washington, D.C.
as our honeymoon. And we got really, really lost and scared the first day, but we got to see
different monuments and see the history of our country,
which was awesome.
Before Tune Tuesday, we'll check out what you are listening to.
My name is Landon. I'm here with Damien. All right, Damien. What is your go-to song? For? Anything. Call Me Maybe. Pretty good song. All right, my name is Landon Hinkie. I'm here with. All right, Zan. What is your go-to song for anything?
Sharp Dressed Man by ZZ Top.
All right, cool. Thank you.
It's that time of week again, Tune Tuesday.
We've got a chance of rain this evening. Let's look at today's temperatures.
What's up, guys? My name is Lenny Hickey, and the high for today is going to be 64 with a 67% chance of rain, and the low for tonight is going to be 55.
And now it's time for a quick blast to the past. We leave you with this day in history.
Stay classy, VC.
May 6th, 1937. In Lakehurst, New Jersey, the German dirigible Hindenburg bursts into flames and crashes upon arriving for landing. Reporter Herb Morrison is there.
It's a terrific crash, ladies and gentlemen. The smoke and the flames now, and the frame is crashing to the ground, not quite to the mooring mast. All the humanity and all the passengers.
The disaster kills 35 people aboard the hydrogen-filled airship and a Navy crewman on the ground. 1856. Psychologist Sigmund Freud, the father of psychoanalysis, is born in what's now the Czech Republic. 1915.
Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what you'll think about Mr. Kane. I can't imagine. You see, I play the part myself.
Actor and director Orson Welles, whose pioneering films include Citizen Kane and Touch of Evil, is born in Kenosha, Wisconsin. 1942, during World War II, Americans and Filipinos surrendered to Japanese forces on the Philippine island of Corregidor in the Pacific. And 1954, in Britain, Roger Bannister becomes the first athlete to run a mile in fewer than 4 minutes. Bannister finishes the mile in 3 minutes 59.4 seconds at a track meet at Oxford. Today in history, May 6th, Sandy Kozel, The Associated Press.